As I mentioned in the last video, this is a bit like chicken or the egg. I first have to walk you through how to access our search, find, buy, rebate funnel and show you some of the basics for that. And then we're going to loop back and I'll show you how to use it with Facebook ads. I'll show you how to use it using our Facebook group launching and ranking strategy. So just thank you for your patience, but there's a method to our madness here. So big picture, here's how you're going to rank your product. Step one, you're going to promote your irresistible Amazon offer using either Facebook ads, which is what I prefer because I can scale the living daylights out of our campaigns with Facebook ads and rank anything pretty much, or use a Facebook group. This is, I've mentioned this, I haven't taught it yet. I will be teaching it shortly. This is where you find a relevant Facebook group and you just pay the admin to have them post your deal, and you're going to have them link to your search, find, buy, rebate funnel. And I'm also going to teach you, if you've been selling on Amazon, how to market to your previous Amazon customers about your search, find, buy, rebate funnels. Because again, we want to move that traffic, have them opt in, and then move them through the Ascension model to become a more permanent feature of your rebate club. Because then it's game over. You only have to run ads, for the first or second product, and you're building that list. And then once they are then compliant and say, yes, I want more of these rebate offers because I'm a member of the rebate club, now you can live off of that rebate club into perpetuity forever. Let's take a look at the ad real quick. This is actually from one of our very successful Fast Track students, and I love it. It says, hey, just a sec. This is your absolute last chance to get these premium barbecue shredder claws for 100% free on Amazon. And then that link there, that's going to be the link to your search, find, buy, rebate funnel that you're going to build in ClickFunnels. It's very, very easy to do if you're new to ClickFunnels. If you're already used to using ClickFunnels, you know how easy it is to use. How it works: as soon as you buy the item from Amazon at full price, we will rebate you 100% of your purchase price via PayPal within 48 hours. It's really that simple. All you have to do is email us two things. Number one, your Amazon order ID or screenshot of receipt. Number two, your PayPal email address so we can reimburse you ASAP. And again, just as an aside, some of you that are using Venmo, you can add that also in there. Get it here. Click this link so we can give you the private details and your 100% free product. Again, you put the link to the first step in the funnel, that first landing page. And then you always want to put this disclaimer here. I learned this from one of my very successful students, Manuel Suarez, who has had incredible success with Facebook ads and Facebook Messenger. He said you definitely have to put this disclaimer every time. It says this promotion is in no way sponsored, endorsed, administered by, or associated with Facebook or Amazon. And then he kind of doctored up his Amazon image by adding a snippet from a 5-star testimonial. Okay, so however you choose to drive the traffic to the SFB rebate funnel, whether through Facebook ads like I prefer, or reaching out to Facebook groups and having the admin post it for a fee, or reaching out to previous Amazon customers, by hook or by crook, you're going to get them to this landing page. Okay, and you're going to use this proven search, find, buy, rebate funnel, and I'm going to show you how to get this shared with you with one click in a second here. But this is where you're going to drive all the traffic to this page, and then after they opt in, then they are redirected automatically because of how ClickFunnels is set up. They're redirected automatically to the thank you rebate instructions page. And what's great about this is using the most natural ranking behavior. We're going to have these buyers perform a search, find, buy for targeted keywords to rank our product. So what I want you to do, your homework assignment for this video is I want you to use the one-click share to add this search, find, buy, rebate funnel to your ClickFunnels account. Or if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, you've seen throughout the course that we have Ninja stuff that we use it for. Go ahead and sign up for ClickFunnels and then log in your ClickFunnels account and then you're going to use the one-click share link. So under this video is an SOP with the complete instructions, but I just want to show this to you. So this is what the ClickFunnels funnel will look like once you've added it into your account. On the next video, I'm just going to show you real quick how easy it is to modify. But this is the SOP, the search, the standard operating procedure that you're going to find underneath this video. It's called How to Access the SFB Rebate Funnel. And I just want to show you some stuff on here, just some instructions, because these are really useful when we build these for you. Here's a quick screenshot of the funnel so you can remember what funnel you're adding to your ClickFunnels account. And then when possible, I always like to give you links to the live demo. So if you kind of just want to play around with it, you can just click on this and it'll launch the web page. You can show your spouse, your partner, you can get excited about it. You can grab this deal, and then you can see once somebody opts in, the thank you page here. And you can see how this works, and you can start thinking about what copy you're going to put here and things like that, okay? And then near the bottom of this SOP are the instructions to have this funnel shared with you in one click. And again, if you don't have ClickFunnels yet, click this link and sign up. This is an affiliate link. We always appreciate that. Log in your ClickFunnels account, and then click on this link once you're logged in, and this will one-click add it instantly into your ClickFunnels account. Okay, so on the next video, I'm just going to show you some of the basics for how to edit this. My video won't be intended to be a full tutorial on how to use ClickFunnels, because trust me, ClickFunnels has plenty of easy to watch videos that will teach you all that you need to know. They also have fantastic support. You just click Get Help right here. Okay, and it'll get you at least started. We call it a quick start tech video. So so before you go to that video though, go ahead, register for ClickFunnels if you haven't, and then I want you to access the SOP under this video and add this funnel to your ClickFunnels account. And then please proceed to the next video.